I would like to draw the attention of this August House regarding a very serious matter of grave concern. Sir, today in Times of India, a public advertisement has been issued that is Committee on Farm Laws, appointed by the Honorable Supreme Court of India by judgment dated 12/1/2021. Public notice invitation for comments, views and suggestions on 3 Farm Reforms Acts 2020. The Honorable Supreme Court of India has appointed a committee of experts to make recommendation and submit report on the following 3 Farm Reforms Act 2020, 1, 2 and 3. And further, it is being said that the committee intends to invite comments, views and suggestions on the aforesaid acts from the stakeholders so that it can be compiled for submitting to the Honorable Supreme Court to protect the interest of the Indian farmers. Sir, my question is, the Parliament has legislated 3 laws, and at the time of consideration of the bills, we have demanded for sending it to the standing committee. Unfortunately, it was not done, and finally it was passed by both houses of the Parliament. But now the Supreme Court has constituted a committee, and they are issuing public notice inviting suggestions, views, and comments from the public. Sir, my question is then for what the Parliament is meant for? It is the legislative domain of the Parliament. It is not the Supreme Court to legislate. This is absolutely the legislative domain of the Parliament. It is quite unfortunate to note that the Supreme Court is encroaching upon the authority of the Parliament in the case of the legislative process. How can it be done? I do agree with the Supreme Court. Definitely the Supreme Court has the authority to look into the constitutional validity of the bill. The legislative competence of the Parliament can be looked into by the Supreme Court. How can the views, comments and suggestions from the public, and sir, the final sentence of the public inviting notice, it is being said that in order to protect the interests of the farmers, that means the Parliament is not meant for protecting the interests of the farmers. So sir, I would like to seek the response from the government regarding this issue. This is the right of the Parliament is being taken away. The Parliament is taken for granted, and now the Supreme Court is for legislating the business. Then what the Parliament went for?